Good day, my name is Rodrigo Larrota. This is my recipe: meatballs of ground beef. Ingredients: 500 grams ground beef and 1 cup of water. This for the bowl meals. And the sauce, we need 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 minced garlic onion, 1 chopped onion, 1 cup of ketchup, and spices. Preparation of recipe. First, in the bowl, mix the ground beef with water and spices. Then mix with your hands until combined. After, let rest for 5 minutes. Second, do the meatballs of 30 grams approximately. Second, do the meatballs. Third, for the sauce, heat a pot and fry it with oil, the onion and garlic for 3 minutes. Then add the ketchup, the water and the meatballs. Finally, cook over medium heat for 10 minutes until they are cooked. In the end, enjoy. Thanks.